In today's video, I am going to teach you how to correct drawing scale after changing units in AutoCAD. When a drawing scale looks wrong after switching from one unit system to another, like inches to millimeters or vice versa, the geometry hasn't actually changed units, it's just being interpreted differently. The most reliable way to correct this is with AutoCAD's command line version of the drawing units tool called -DWG units, which not only updates the unit setting but also offers to scale existing geometry appropriately. Start by placing your cursor in the command line and typing a hyphen followed by DWG units. Exactly like this. -DWG units, then press enter. Using the hyphen is important because it forces a command line workflow rather than a purely graphical dialog. And it exposes the scaling options we need to fix the drawing. Depending on your setup, you might see a dialog or a series of prompts in the command line. Either way, you will be asked to select the new unit for the drawing. Choose the unit system that matches the standard you want to work in going forward, such as millimeters for metric or inches for imperial. This selection defines how AutoCAD interprets a single drawing unit from now on. As you proceed, you'll be prompted about how to handle scaling. When asked whether to scale objects from other drawings upon insert, choose Yes. This sets the file up so that anything you bring in later, blocks, external references, details, will automatically be scaled to match your new unit system. It's a preventative step that keeps your project consistent as it grows. Next, when prompted to scale objects in the current drawing to reflect the unit change, also choose Yes. This is the key action that brings your existing geometry into alignment with the new units. For example, if the drawing was created as if one unit equaled 1 inch and you switched to millimeters, the command applies the correct 25.4 factor so that lengths, areas, and blocks all reflect real-world sizes in the new system. Once those confirmations are complete, your drawing should now be correctly scaled in the chosen units. A quick visual pass can help you spot anything unusual, such as annotative items that may need their scale adjusted, or externally referenced files that should be reloaded to inherit the new settings. It's also a good idea to save the file under a new name before making sweeping changes like this, so you can revert if needed. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.